Hi, I'm Gal, and this is my ZemiSmart Smart Curtain Kit review. This is ZemiSmart latest curtain system. It's metal-based and is super easy to install. ZemiSmart already have quite a few curtain systems, and I was happy to try this one as it's metal-based and therefore should work with HomeKit out of the box. I was really excited about getting this. I've been thinking about getting a small curtain for my living room for quite a while now. Every time I looked into it, I gave up when I checked the installation manual. I mean, I love building my smart home by myself, but I'm not a DIY person. It just seemed too complicated. So I was sick at home when I got the box, and I was really not feeling like DIYing, but I just couldn't help myself. Can you when you get a new toy? So I opened the box and checked what's inside, and it took me about 5 minutes. I've actually set up the whole thing. As you can see, I was actually able to connect the parts using one hand while I was filling with the other. The rail itself arrived in several parts. I think the longest one was 1 meter long, and then there was a 50 centimeter, 40, 30, maybe even 20. And you can connect them and get whatever size you want. After I connected all the rail parts, I added the main unit with a roller bit. Connect it on one side, then just grab it along all the way to the other side. That's it. There's no more hassle than that. You don't need to connect any special parts or to there's a strap, previous model, the big strap you have to connect. None of that. Slide it out, that's it. Next thing, connect the motor, and it's done. You can see here that this is a 520 meter long rail. I was thinking the cute little remote that came with it. Please note, it doesn't come with a battery, so make sure you add one. It took me about 10 minutes to realize there was no battery inside. And that's it. Once you sync it, it's working. You can close it, open it. You can see that. This is the first test I've actually done. So nice. So quiet. When you use the remote, you can actually change speeds. There are 3 speeds that come with it. Using HomeKit or through the app, I didn't see that option, but it doesn't really matter. So this is the final result. The only thing that actually took me quite a long time was actually setting up the curtains themselves. That's it. Other than working through the app or through HomeKit by voice command through Siri, there's a really nice thing. If you tug it a little bit, see, it just opens by itself. That's really cool. That's it. Thank you. I really like this curtain kit, and it works very well. Hope you enjoyed that.